Based on lean principles, teamwork, and dedication to service, we are Camcar Plastics Incorporated, headquartered in Muskegon, Michigan, and serving worldwide. Visit us at ccplasticparts.com. Our exceptional customer service and quality products have connected us globally and brought us here. We are ISO 9001 accredited. Yes, quality certification achieved. And with over 30 years of industry innovation, we are proud to be made with experience and creating service that is delivered by innovation. We are committed to customer care, and we take it to the next level. Here, made with experience, delivered by innovation. Full-service plastic injection molding and assembly, the company that specializes in your project's success. Our service capabilities include high-volume plastic parts production using multi-cavity tooling. This also includes insert molding, over-molding, and in-mold threading. We also offer secondary operations, design and consulting including best practices and material selection, and tooling for the duration of service, from project management to hot runners to full maintenance programs. Our service delivers quality, on time, every time. Welcome to Camcar Plastics. We are local as much as we are global. As companies move their works from overseas to the USA, we are continuing onshoring and localizing growth. Through lean principles, quality, dedication to service, teamwork, and our industry experience paired with our competitive edge, we are influencing and innovating numerous industries. Our markets include products and services to the medical, packaging, industrial, manufacturing, consumer, household, and transportation industries. In addition, military, electrical, commercial, sporting, and agricultural jobs have been completed successfully by Camcar Plastics. As Grand Rapids is the office furniture capital, we are proud to have connected through that industry and delivered quality too. Our pride in production is finding the solution. Have a metal part wanting to be made into an affordable plastic part? Considering additives to make your product with better integrity? Camcar Plastics answers your questions and ensures the product delivered is made with endurance for the different applications of the process. Camcar Plastics' secondary operations include the following: pressing inserts in plastic parts, drilling, tapping, applying adhesive tapes, and other value-added services. Our materials include practically any thermoplastic available, including engineering-grade materials, nylons, polycarbonates, ABS, and a selection of very high-strength materials. Be sure to ask your Camcar Plastics representative about the practices best applicable for your project. As for color selection, Camcar Plastics offers the entire color spectrum for you to choose your preference, including the option of UV protection. Any part, any color, precision is a part of our production. Currently, our machines range from 25 ton to 500 ton, with the capability to create parts from 1/10 of an ounce to 80 ounces. As for the parts tolerances, each design is determined independently. Let's talk details. As the industry is ever changing through product variety, Camcar Plastics moves with the molds. Our quality and attention to detail, paired with our state-of-the-art machining and processes, ensures that whether it's a short run or long run job, we are delivering the innovation that you are creating. The key benefits include prototype tooling, conventional die sets, and molding insert capabilities. Our quality inspection process is comprised of engaged and intended personnel for the visual approvals. And to ensure precision, our measuring instruments and gauges get the job done to your expectations and our service. From product to fulfillment, we're innovative in our parts production process. Consulting and prototyping are parts of our process. Engineering resins, commodity resins, what is necessary to make your project a success. Camcar Consulting. We offer advice on practical part design concepts, from the material selection to the part form to the tolerances. As for prototyping, we produce perfection to a C. Our recommendation is that a prototype is made prior to the production tool. Plastic injection molding, tooling, consulting, prototyping, and quality assurance, all offered here with Camcar Plastics. At Camcar Plastics, our quoting is complimentary. Free quoting, no obligation. How do we get started? We need your CAD model, a part print, material specification, and the estimated yearly part usage. And we'll provide a quote with the scope of work and our competitive pricing, so you can preview the way that our connection and industry experience delivers your product renewed. Our international clients, our local customers, and all of the connections we service are connected through quality. Your customer experience is valued and a part of our mission and values at Camcar Plastics. It is our commitment to care. Expect timely visual quality checks. Expect timely measurement quality checks. Expect final inspection quality checks. Expect that we exceed expectations. From our initial contract to the storing and security of your files, to our inspection process, to ensuring the products and packaging are perfection to a C. Expect quality. Your finished goods will be delivered with the appropriately determined packaging, whether it's the use of dividers, foam, bags, or other protectants. Expect quality from connection to close. From the incorporation of Camcar Plastics in 2000 to the 30 years of experience in the plastic injection molding industry, founders Courtney and Terry Gust make it a mission to make this family business globally renowned. The business model of providing the best possible customer experience comes alive with every transaction made. As president and founder Courtney Gust III states here, I am dedicated to leading our team and providing the best possible customer experience. We achieve this by meeting or exceeding our customers' expectations of quality, forward thinking, and on-time delivery. The future depends on staying focused on innovation in an ever-changing market. The words of the president and founder, the work of the innovation. At Camcar Plastics, we make it happen. "25 million parts later, we value the experience you experience. From automotive to household, our diverse clientele appreciates our highly efficient plastics manufacturing facility. And with increasing demands from the world economy, we understand the importance of offering the highest quality product at the best price. To remain competitive by keeping overhead to a minimum, purchasing quality machines, and bringing quality and service beyond customers' expectation is our intention. We pride ourselves on finding the solution with our 30+ years in the industry. We are committed to quality and service at a competitive price. We remain in demand by our customers by providing exceptional quality and service. Globally, we make it happen. Made with experience, delivered by innovation, on time, every time. Camcar Plastics Incorporated.